Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name's Tom, I'm the sales executive here at the garage. Today I'm just going to be taking you around this really nice looking little Honda Jazz that we've got in stock. Very practical for storage, comes with Bluetooth and a panoramic roof. But without further ado, let's take a look. So just over 47,000 miles. It's done very low mileage for the age of vehicle. So if this is something that you are interested in, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers now.